So the question arises is what you can do to save the environment. In order to save our environment, first thing is to educate. You and me should have education about environment. You might be hearing that I'm always, saying that don't do this, because already these things have done. The harm has already been done. What about our kids, their kids, their kids? Just because we need luxury, just because we need new products, we are exploiting the natural resources. So we need to give the knowledge and develop the skills in order to save the environment, because we need to behave like a citizen who is responsible. Just regulation of traffic, if you follow, that's not enough. You have to follow the regulation of the earth, mother earth, nature. Fossil fuel you are using, it is going to finish some time. The gases it is producing, it will remain in the environment. The plastic will be forever with us. So first learn about the environment. What does it mean? Learning about the environment is about acquisition of knowledge and understanding of our surrounding. That is, get the knowledge, get the information, and understand what is around you. It's not only you. You cannot live alone. Plants, animals are living with you. See, first is learning about the environment. Then comes the learning through the environment. What is this? This boy is picking up the plastic and putting it somewhere in the garbage bag. So now, if you think that you go to school, then college, then tuition, go to malls, this may be your life. But the problem is, we are not going to the environment. We just go to have fun. We are not engaged with the environment. So we need to learn with engagement with the environment, and we need to observe by ourselves. We have to go outside our classroom. We have to do the experience, hands-on experience. We have to learn by doing, and then we have to see the problem and then take proper action to solve it. This environment damage is already happened. Now we need to minimize it. We can minimize it by developing the skills and knowledge. Because if you don't have the knowledge of how to utilize the resources, what are the green processes, what are the technologies, what are the integration we have to do in the business, in our daily life, to safeguard our environment, to safeguard our biodiversity, to safeguard the life of our next coming generation. Okay, this is how you can learn through the environment. If you're using 100, just use 10. Save it for your upcoming generation. Then learning for the environment. That means learning for the environment is the development of an informed response and responsibility towards the environment. That is, something is happening, you need to know how you need to respond. If someone is cutting the tree, you need to stop them from cutting the tree. And responsibility towards the environment, everyone has the responsibility. Not just few people who have NGOs or who are, say, environmentalists. No, only Greta Thunberg will not do everything.